Good morning, Clearbrow, North Dallas. 22 Model Y, full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus with XR Plus window film, 30 front, 30 in the back. But remember, you have the privacy glass that is darkened with a solution in the glass. So that doesn't come out, but we just go over the backside and it appears to be darker. However, the window film adds the UV and IR to it, as there is no UV and IR in the privacy glass. Front windshield's done with the windshield film for the extra IR and UV protection to the dash area and the occupants. Let's go over the wrap. Starting off with coming around over here to our emblem. Always removing the emblem so we have no line around it from plotters or hand cuttings or however they do it. But we do a custom sheet, all one sheet, no openings, fully wrapped all the way around, no lines. That's the full hood and the fenders. And then we put the emblem back on as if it was like the clear coat for the car. You would never clear coat around the emblem, so we're not going to put paint protection film around the emblem. Coming down to the bumper here, you'll see that tow hook, everything gets wrapped in. Fully wrapped in, all these edges, all this stuff all wrapped in, all wrapped in. Headlights are done, all these edges are wrapped. The big one I believe in is doing this bezel area around the fender and the headlight, wrapping all that in. So we get all that nicely. Ceramic coated as well, so it's really nice and slick. The fender coming up in here, A-pillar done, everything's wrapped underneath. The fender and the door, so fender wrapped in, door wrapped in, wrapped under these moldings as well, and wrapped underneath all these plastic trim pieces so there's no lines. Fully wrapped under these moldings, wrapped inside these door handles, wrapped inside A-pillars, fully wrapped inside. This comes off, this molding, and we can get around all that. Makes for a real nice clean install. That's the way to do it. That's how you get more time out of your warranty than what's necessary. As for this spoiler, we don't take it off. Taking that off is a no-no. If you take it off, chances are you're not going to get it back on. It's not an easy one to put on. I don't recommend it. So coming back this way, more of the same work. Added a dual motor emblem, and coming around this way, everything's wrapped underneath this quarter. Again, the hatch, the A-pillar on this side, same thing. And more of the door handles getting all wrapped in there. Removing these, they're real simple. They slide off, wrap underneath. It's really worth it to do. And there it is, finishing up on a mirror, all the way wrapped around, no seaming. And that's it. Real simple for us, but long lasting for you. Tesla Model Y 2022. There you go. If you guys have one, need some estimates, give me a call or email, clearbrownnorthdallas.com or clearbrownnorthdallas@gmail.com, or 214-414-3809. Thanks for watching Clearbrow North Dallas.